dog's out, and Kyle is getting ready for his live stream. So I got the heck out of there. Good luck! And it's super, super nice out today. I'll show you. What you doing?
Oh, just making some French toast there, friend.
French toast.
What the French toast?
What time is it?
Oh, it is dinner time. It is 7:10.
Supper time.
He's got your number now. I might do that next week for the live stream.
Oh yeah, Kyle just got done with his live stream.
Literally just got done.
So
like,
now he's all
40 minutes
hyper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I spent all day trying to make sure that that would go off without a hitch.
Did it?
Yeah, I think it went off without a hitch.
Hitchless.
It was hitchless. Will Smith
Was not there.
in the early aughts, late aughts, was not there. Kevin James was nowhere to be found.
Okay, bye. Goodbye now.
Okay, bye-bye now. Hey, Lena, get your nose out of there. Come on, come on. Think about all those offers. Come on, come on. Your future with Audrey. Come on, come on. Ain't no time to turn squeamish. Come on. I swear on all my spores. When he's gone, the world will be yours. Are you doing a time lapse or?
No. Honey, I Shrunk the Kids style.